Hello, this is Addie D. Hilster from Moved to Meditate. Thank you for joining me for this gentle moving meditation on the theme of slowing down. We'll be playing with pace as we do two very simple motions for a few minutes, observing the sensations in the body and how movement can often influence our mental activity and nervous system state. When we're in a stimulated or activated state, it can be helpful to meet ourselves where we are with a faster movement, gradually easing ourselves into a slower, calmer pace. This meditation can be done either standing or seated in a chair. You can have your eyes open or close them, but if you're standing, you may find that keeping them open with a soft gaze helps your balance. If you are standing, have your feet a comfortable width apart, like hips or shoulder width. If you are seated, try to sit evenly in your chair and have your feet touching the floor if possible. In either position, see if you can reach down a little through your feet or through your legs on the chair, and at the same time, lengthen up gently through your spine. Notice how you're feeling at the beginning of this practice. Is your mind busy or calm? Are thoughts moving quickly or slowly? Do you feel rushed, speedy, or impatient? Or more balanced and steady? Do you notice tension or discomfort in your body? Maybe you also notice some areas of ease. There are no right or wrong answers as we check in with ourselves. Shrug your shoulders towards your ears, then let them relax down. Now let's start to lift the arms out in front of the body, perhaps as far as shoulder height, then lowering them back down to your sides. Start at somewhat of a faster pace with your arm movement. It doesn't need to match your breath right now. Keep moving your arms up and down in a comfortable way and see if you can relax your joints and let them be loose, even while you're moving a bit more quickly. Let your fingertips be the last part of you to arrive at the top of your movement and at the bottom of your movement. Think Tai Chi or Qigong arms, even at this brisker pace. Continuing to move a little more quickly for a few moments. And now let's start to slow this movement down a bit. As you gradually take a slower pace, can you match the breath to the movement? Breathing in as you lift the arms, breathing out as they lower. If you're standing, you could choose to sink your hips back a little, bending the knees as the arms lift up, then standing tall again as the arms come back down to your sides. Sinking back more than down as the arms rise, standing tall again as the arms lower. In a similar way, if you're seated, you could lean your chest forward a few inches as the arms rise, then return to neutral with shoulders over hips as the arms lower. This little sink and rise or sway with the arm movement is optional. Keep moving in a way that feels relaxed. If your arms get tired, you can rest one while moving the other, then switch after a while. How does it feel to take this slower pace? Can you soften and smooth your movements even more? Let's try going even slower. You might even make the arm movement so slow that it takes more than one breath cycle. Just let your breath do what it needs to do and try on this super slow movement of the arms. Let the arms float with as much ease as possible. What do you notice about moving at these different paces? Maybe you observe some different sensations or even sights and sounds when you're going slower. Sometimes the mind is receptive to the slow movement and it slows its activity. Other times you might notice some impatience or inner pressure arises when you challenge yourself to go this slowly. Can you simply be aware of whatever comes up in this present moment? What if we go faster again? Maybe you want to go back to your medium pace or even revisit your original fast arm movement. What is here to notice at this speed? As we continue, settle into whatever pace best supports a feeling of being present right now. On different days, that might be faster or slower. Let's take a few more moments with the arm movement at your chosen speed. Keep it light and easy. Slowly let the arms come back to your sides or onto your lap and rest. Let's continue for a few more minutes with a smaller movement, mirroring the breath. As you're exhaling, curl the fingers in towards your palm. As you're inhaling, open the hand and let the fingers comfortably stretch out. As you breathe out, the hand closes into a very soft fist. As you breathe in, it gently opens like a flower. Let the breath and the hand movement be easy. After a while, you might let the movement go and simply feel the breath movement by itself. Or if you're enjoying the hand movement, keep going as you are. As we're coming to the close of this meditation, notice how you're feeling now. It may or may not be different from before. Either way, this mindful noticing practice is so valuable in and of itself. What is the activity level like in your mind? Do the thoughts have a certain tone? Is there a sense of steadiness or less rush? Perhaps a little more patience, clarity, or presence. Do you notice the same tension in your body, or has that experience shifted a bit? What do you notice about your breathing? Whatever the outcome of the practice today, perhaps you can have a sense of appreciation towards yourself for taking the time to explore with mindfulness and curiosity. When you're ready, you can open your eyes if they were closed and look around with fresh eyes and be present in your space. Maybe do a few stretches that feel good right now. Take your time coming out of the meditation. I hope you can take a sense of curiosity with you as you move through the rest of your day,